Well, hello, this is Jason Ledbetter with the Unicorn team, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your brand new website. So you can always come up here to your domain name and just type in /WP-admin, and that's going to take you to your login page where you're going to enter your username and password that we sent to you and click login. And once you log in, that's going to take you to your WordPress dashboard. Now, here inside WordPress, you're just going to simply go to Pages, click All Pages, and this is where all your website pages are, here under Pages and All Pages. And first, you can just go to Home and just click Edit. So whatever page you want to edit, you just go to that page and click Edit. And that's going to open up your page edit options. And you're going to see all these different tabs down here. Now, what I like to do is come up here and right click and open in a new tab. So that way I can make my edits here, and then I can come to the front end and see what I edited. So first you're going to see you have your featured image, which is this big image here. Then you have your welcome section, which has your welcome image and your welcome description, which you're going to see here. And as you keep going down the page, you're going to see the options here on the left. So we have call to action number 1, which is the banner and call to action text, which is the banner and call to action text. So if you want to edit this button here, here is the call to action text. So you can change this to something else and you can enter your URL. And as you go down the page, you're going to see a category for each category here on the front end. So for an example, we have our social links down here. We can see that social media, and we can upload a different icon. We can title it, so that's Facebook, and that's why you see Facebook here. We put follow me, and you can see the follow me text here, and you would just enter your URL. So you can add any type of social icons or anything you want here, and you would upload the image, title, caption text, target URL. And when you're finished, you would just click save. Now, when you do click save, it takes a second to refresh. So you don't have to click it multiple times. Just click it once, give it about 5 seconds, and it will refresh. You can see up here that it is loading. And the reason it takes a little bit of time is because it's actually going through all these fields here. So if I want to save, I click it one time, I wait, and I can look up here and I'll see that it is loading. So just know that it takes a few seconds to save the page because there is a lot of data on that page. So you'll want to come through the home page. You'll want to read all the text, change out any images that you want. Make sure that you put the link here, whether that's to your Facebook group, your fan page, wherever you want to send them. And you will want to make sure that you update the link here and make sure that your social media profile links are here. And that's what you want to do on the front page. So then we could come here to get your essential oils. And on this page, you're just going to want to read through all the content. Make sure that this is linked to the page that you want it to go to. So, okay, I'm enrolling. That could take them to Let's Do Business page. Just look over all the content. And this would be where you send them to your enrollment page so they can pick the kit. And here's what's the most popular kit. So here's where you would want to replace the value of the kits that you're offering or whatever offer you have. Here you can send them to the Let's Do Business page. And I will show you how to update these links really quick. So for an example, if I want to send them to the Let's Do Business page, whenever I'm done with the home page, I would click back All Pages. And this is the Get Your Essential Oils page, so I'll click Edit. I will give the page a second to load. And we are editing the call to action. So remember, everything's a section, and if we come down, this is the first call to action. So this would be call to action number 1. And we can see, okay, I'm enrolling. So if I want to send them to Let's Do Business page, I can click Let's Do Business page, and I can come up here and copy the URL, and I can just drop it right here. Save now. Seconds to load. And we can see it's loading here. Okay, so that has refreshed. So I can come here now and I'll just refresh the page. And now if I come down to call to action number 1, actually it was, oops, I was on the wrong page. So if I come back here and I go to call to action number 1, so now I can click this, and it's going to take me to the Let's Do Business page, the one that we just updated on the back end. So now we'll move over to the Let's Do Business page, and you'll just want to read over all the content. Once again, you want to update the button with your Facebook page, your group, or wherever you want to send them. And if you want to edit this page, you would just go back to All Pages, and you would click on Let's Do Business page edit. Now we will move over to the blog. Now to edit your blog, the blog is not a page, so these are blog posts. So you have post here. So pages is all your web pages. Post is your blog post. So if I come here to post, all post, you can see here is my blog page. So I can click edit. And this is where I can edit the content on the blog page. If I wanted to add a new blog post, I could just click add new. And I would click the title here. Do test, 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 publish. Give it a second to load. And if I come to the front, I can refresh. And you see my test. So I didn't add a featured image. So if I wanted to add a nice featured image like this, then I can just come here, set featured image, and I can upload a file from my computer, or I can just select an image. So I select the image, set featured image, you'll see it pop up here, and then I click update. Give it a second to load. And once it's finished loading, I can come here, refresh, and you'll see the featured image. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this. So I'm just going to click move to trash. And that's how you add blog posts. You just come to post, add new, and you can add as many blog posts as you want, and they're automatically going to pop up really nice here in the blog. And they'll also pop up on the home page over here. So that blog post would have popped up here. Okay, so we'll move on to Contact Me. In Contact Me, if you want to, you can show your phone number, where you're from, and your email. So I can come here to Pages, because remember, this is a page. So the only time you'll go to post is when you're trying to create a blog post. If it's not a blog post, it's a page. So I'll come here to Pages, All Pages, and I will click on Contact Me. And this is where I can edit everything. So this is the featured image in Contact Me, which is here. So if I wanted to remove this, I could just click X and there'll be an upload button to upload another image. I'm going to go to contact info, and here's where I can change my phone number, my address, and my email. I can also come down here to the contact form, and I can change the name of the button or any type of text I want to change. So if I don't want it to say want to talk, I can say something else here. And that is how you edit your unicorn theme. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, just let me know.